This bright pesto recipe from Chef Michael Fiorelli of Love and Salt in Manhattan Beach, California has arugula for a little bit of a peppery bite, typical basil, Parmesan cheese, roasted garlic, and a little extra kick in the mouth from red pepper flakes. There's also a little bit of rich roundness from roasted cashew nuts. The pairing that Chef Fiorelli went with for this hails from Lazio, the central Italian region that includes Rome. I think Chef Fiorelli is right on because the dish is so forward and so bright that you really do need a wine with medium acidity, bright, fresh fruit flavors, and the Grechetto that he chose does have kind of fresh, round, ripe flavors of tangerine, of blood orange, of clementine that smooth out the slightly more sharp edges of the dish.